Understanding RS-GIS and geography. In this video I am going to show how you can freeze pane in MS Excel. First of all, what is the need of freeze pane, and then how you can freeze any pane or any row, column, etc. in MS Excel. So let's start. If you are not the subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel, and you can join my channel for better videos and helps. Thanks for clicking on this video. Let's start. This is the Excel sheet you can see, and these are the tools of home tab, etc. You know better than me. And now I want to do something like I want to input some data. For that I have to create some column name. First name is SL number, means serial number, right? Second is date, third is time, fourth is remarks. Such as example I am showing this, right? And I am making all this into Times New Roman. This is Times New Roman, and increasing the size this, and selecting again all middle this. Okay, and I am giving some serial number 1 2 3 4 5, and I am increasing this. See that up to 130 row it is 129, because the first row is serial number, and I have to input date, time, etc., remarks, everything. But think that I am here at the 35, but I cannot see where the E column is showing. For that I want to make this column name constant. To make this column name constant, or if you want to row name constant, think that I am going to this part. I have to input this data on this part, but I cannot see what is the column row name, means serial number. So I have to freeze this pane, as I can see here also. For that, what you need to do, I am showing in this video. Select this row. If you want to freeze this row, then go to view, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, then view. In view you can see different options like workbook view, show, zoom, windows. In windows you can see these parts called as freeze panes. Here 3-4 options are here. Freeze panes keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls. Freeze top view, keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. And then freeze first column, keep the first column visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. I am here the first row, so I am freeze the top row. See that it is freezed. And now what is the column name? Serial number 66, everything 129. This is the it is freezed. Again, if you want to freeze the this column, what you need to do? Go to view again, freeze panes, freeze first column. Here I am making this column as first column. For that I want to delete this. See that these are freezed already. And if here I'm just copying and pasting. See what happened. These are not freezed, so I am again freeze top rows. See that top row is freezed and column is not freezed. Again I have to freeze first column. See that first column is freezed, and when what happened, freeze top row, that freezed, but when the top row is freezed then the column is not freezed. What is the solution for this? Freeze top rows. Freeze first column. Just I want to freeze just top rows, and when freezing of columns will be needed, I will freeze the columns, and now I want to freeze the only top rows. Freeze top rows. See and input your data. In this way you can freeze, and better will be you can explore these all. If you freeze this unfreeze window and freeze panes, what is happening? See that both are, I clicked here and freeze used this option, unfreeze panes and freeze panes. These all are freezed. Why I don't know. I want to freeze. I want to click here and unfreeze panes, freeze panes. This rows and column both are freezed in the first option. Here you can see I like this. I used one cell, left and right all are freezed. In this way you can freeze. Here the only upper rows are freezed, and here the only columns are freezed. But in this option freeze panes, and so here I already freezed, so it is showing unfreeze. But you can do as per your requirement, and in this tool I can freeze both column and rows. Thanks for watching till the end. Please subscribe my channel, Understanding RS-GIS and Geography, and of course like this video, share among friends, and comment me if you have any query or any idea which you want to give to me. And thank you once again. Thank you so much.